Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am super excited. HTVRONT reached out to me and asked if I would review their clear HTV vinyl for sublimating. This specific vinyl is made for light colors and for 100% cotton t-shirts. So in today's video, I will show you how to use HTVRONT clear vinyl and tell you what I think. So let's get started. The first step is opening Cricut Design Space and uploading the image you want to use. Next, we click on Template, and I'm going to type in shirt. And the shirt that I'm going to be sublimating today is a V-neck, so I'm going to select that. Right up here in the top left, under type, you can change it to men or women, and then you can adjust the size. And I'm going to drag the image here and make it a little bit bigger. Next, we're going to click on offset. The instructions say that you should have your offset between 2 and 5 millimeters, which actually I have a great conversion sheet. Let me show you this really quick. It is right here, and if you see here, it converts into inches. So when you say 2 to 5 millimeters, it's really not that much, which is great. So let's go ahead and hit offset, and let's do 0.0787 and hit apply. This image right here, the colorful one, we're going to send to the sublimation printer. You can use any sublimation paper as long as you are sublimating it with sublimation ink and on a sublimation printer. Next, we're going to change this one from a print and cut to a cut image. Now we're ready to go ahead and hit make it on the mat, confirm. We need to mirror both images, then continue. We're going to send it to the printer, and I'm going to change mine to the Epson, which I converted to a sublimation printer. I'm going to leave the bleed on and use system dialog and then hit print. Then we'll select the Epson again and preferences, and I need to change my document size to a legal. And the most important thing, no matter which sublimation printer you're using, is that your paper type is, the best quality and your quality is at its highest. And next, more options and custom advanced. And I'm going to do color controls. So you'll just want to adjust this to your liking. If you use an Epson as well, the color mode here I have at Adobe RGB, gamma is 2.2, and let's hit OK and OK. Now we are ready to hit print. We're going to go ahead and place it on the mat and cut it. I'm going to choose laser paper since it's similar in texture, and change the pressure to more. Make sure to pay attention to the left hand side, and it will show you how to place your paper. You want to make sure that you do that correctly so the Cricut can cut it. And then let's go ahead and load the mat. And now let's go ahead and take it off the mat. And you want to be careful not to touch this part. And we're just going to set it aside, and we're going to get ready to cut the HTV. We are ready to go ahead and cut the next image. And this part right here is the offset that we made. And we are going to cut it on the HTVRONT. So let's go ahead and load it on the mat. This is the HTV that we're using. It'll have a dull side, like that's not shiny. And then there's this side that is shiny. We are going to place the shiny side down, and let's go ahead and tape it to the mat so it does not move. Now we're going to take it off the mat, and I can see the cut right here, so I'm going to just cut kind of a little bit around it and cut this out, because then I can use this for later. So while I preheat my Cricut Easy Press to 395, we are going to go ahead and weed this. The first thing we're going to do is just grab the shirt, and the area that you are going to sublimate, I am going to take a lint roll and just kind of rub over it. get any hair or anything that's on here off. The next thing I'm going to do is fold it in half so it's just right in the center. So just like this. And I'm going to put a crease in it. So I'm just going to do 5 seconds. Next, I am going to preheat this area for 10 seconds on 395. Let's go ahead and place the heart right here. Okay, next I'm going to take parchment paper and lay it down right over the vinyl. And we are going to apply heavy pressure for 10 seconds. And I'm at 395 in temperature. Take that off. And you should wait to take this off until it cools down. It's a cool peel. So I waited about 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and take this off. And next, we are going to apply the heart. So you just want to line it up. Let me just place this over here for a second so it doesn't move. I am going to use heat resistant tape, and I'm going to tape it down. And I just want to make sure that it stays down, it doesn't move at all. Next, we're going to use the parchment paper, and we need to apply heavy pressure at 395 for 60 seconds. So let's go ahead and line it up, and heavy pressure for 60 seconds. And this one is a hot peel. So you want to go ahead and take that off and take this off. All right, you guys ready? All right, let's go ahead and take it off. Yeah, I'm holding it down. Wow, that is awesome. Look how cute that is. That is so cute. So I have to say this was the easiest sublimation to do, and I'm definitely going to do more. If you're interested in trying this out as well, I'll leave the link below in my descriptions. And as always, thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.